Good afternoon, students. The date for mock test of Standard 6 has been declared. We are going to conduct this mock test in online format. And for this mock test, only one chapter I have included in mathematics, and that is number system. Only one chapter. Number system has been included for this mock test. Now mock test in online format means you have to use your mobile phone or laptop to appear this test. Only one chapter is there, number system in mathematics. Then how we are going to conduct this online test? All the question that they will, their answer will be in the form of multiple choice question. So multiple choice question, MCQ format, your all the answer will be there. For example, so total there will be 5 questions. Total there will be 5 questions. So total marks is 5. Total 5 marks. This is mock test. And total number of questions are also 5. So each question will have 1 mark weightage. So you will be given question 1. Now before we start this question 1, now how you will start this mock test, how you will appear this mock test, you have to log in through SGPIS MICM portal EduSprint. You have to log in first. You are already having login ID and password. Through that login ID and password, you will log in in EduSprint or MICM portal of our school. Once you log in, you will come across this subject, mathematics. Then this question paper will be there. In mathematics, the total weightage is 5 marks. There will be 5 questions. Each question will have 1 mark. Question number 1 will be given. For each question, you will be given 4 options. A, B, C, D, or you can say 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 answers will be given for each question. Then after reading the question, whichever answer you find correct, you have to just click that correct answer. Suppose B is the correct answer, I will click B. I will click B because B is the correct answer. Then question number 2. After this you will go to next question. Question number 2. There is a next button. You have to click that next button. Click that next button. Question number 2. Again for question number 2 you will get 4 options. A, B, C, D. After reading the question, you have to find the correct option, correct answer. Suppose my answer D is correct. D is correct option. Then I will click this D. With the help of mouse or in your mobile, you will just, with the help of finger, you will just click this D answer. Then you will read the question number 3. For again question number 3, there will be 4 options. A, B, C, D. And out of these 4 options, only one will be the correct option. So suppose option A is correct, I will just, with the help of finger, I will just click A. I will just click A. Then similarly you will read question number 4. Again 4 options A, B, C, D. One will be the correct option. Suppose C is the correct option, I will just click that C. And question number 5, again 4 options will be there. You read the question and find the correct option. Suppose A is the correct option, I will just click that correct option. So for each question you will be given 4 options. Out of those 4 optional answer, one is the correct answer. That you have to put click. That option you have to click. Correct option you have to click. So in mathematics subject, for this mock test, we are talking about mock test. Total 5 questions will be given. Each question will have 1 marks, and each question will have 4 options. Out of 4 options, 1 is the correct option. Now let us see example, thing will be clear. Let us see the example. Let me take the example how this question will come. Let me take the example. Yes, let me take the example. Thing will be clear. Yes. Let us take the example. One example I am taking. Example. The smallest whole number. The smallest whole number. The smallest whole number is dash. The question is the smallest whole number. Question is the smallest whole number. You will see this question on the screen. The smallest whole number is dash. Now you have to choose the correct option. 4 options will be given to you. On the screen you will find 4 options. You will find 4 options. Option 1 is 2. Option 1 is 2. Then next option is 5. Next option is -1. Next option is 0. So out of these 4 options, 2, 5, -1, 0. This is one option. This is second option. This is third option. This is fourth option. So they are the options given to you. They are 4 options. The smallest whole number is first option. These are the answers. 4 answers are given. Now which one is the correct answer, that you have to click. Out of these 4 answers, 4 options, only one will be the correct answer, that you have to click. The smallest whole number is, we have studied whole number, natural number. Whole number start with 0. So there is no whole number. There is no whole number before 0. There is no whole number before 0. So the smallest whole number, we have seen the whole number. This you have to work out. Whole number start with 0, 1, 2, 3. So what is the smallest whole number? 0. So we know the answer. The smallest whole number is 0. The smallest whole number is 0. So my 0 is the correct answer. So this is wrong answer. That I will not click. This I will not click. This I will not click. Now 0 is the correct answer. So this I will click. I will just put a click over that, because 0 is the correct answer. I will just click the correct answer. Other wrong answer I will not click. This I will not click, because the smallest whole number is 0. So 2 is not the correct answer. 5 is not the correct answer. -1 is not the correct answer. The correct answer is 0. So this I will click. This I will click. I have to click the correct answer. Then let me take one more example. So in this way all the question will come, and there will be 4 options for each question. For each question there will be 4 optional answers. Only one will be correct. Let us take one more example. This example I am giving you for your understanding. It is not like that the same question may be there in the mock test. No. These are just for illustration. Now let us take next question. One more example I am giving. One more example. The largest the largest number using the digit 5, 8, 6, 7 is the largest number using the digit. There are 4 digits given, 5, 8, 6, 7. Which is the largest number? You will find 4 options. You will find 4 answers. One answer will be 8, 6, 7, 5. Second answer 8, 7, 6, 5. Third answer 7, 6, 8, 5. And fourth answer 8, 5, 7, 6. 8, 5, 7, 6. So 4 answers are given. 4 answers are given for this. The largest number using the digit 5, 8, 6, 7 is, first option is 8, 6, 7, 5. Second 8, 7, 6, 5. 7, 6, 8, 5, 8, 5, 7, 6. These are just the example which I am giving. It is not like that the same example may be there for the mock test. No. It may be there, may not be there, that we don't know, but these are just the example for your understanding I am giving. The largest whole number, the largest number. So we are given the digit 5, 8, 6, 7. For largest number, we start with the largest digit 8, then second largest 7, then 6, then 5. So the largest number is 8, 7, 6, 5. 8, 7, 6, 5. This is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. So I will just click over this. I will click over this correct answer. 8, 7, 6, 5. I will just click this correct answer. I will click this correct answer 8, 7, 6, 5. This is the correct. With the help of finger, you have to click the correct answer because you will be using your mobile, and in case if you are using your laptop, you have to use the mouse to click this 8, 7, 6, 5. So 8, 7, 6, 5 is the correct answer. So in this way, these are the example how you will get the question in the mock test. You will be given 5 questions. Each question there will be 4 answer, multiple choice. Out of those 4 answer, only one is the correct answer which you have to click. Which you have to click the correct answer using fingers. Is it clear? So our mock test will be in the online format. For each question there will be 4 options. You have to click the correct option. Correct option you have to click. Other option you have to leave. Wrong answer you have to leave. Wrong answer you have to leave. Only you have to click the correct answer. So 5 questions will be there. Only one chapter I have kept, number system, for this. And you appear this test, mock test, without any fear. With full confidence, you should appear this test. And in this number test, number system chapter, in this mock test, I will ask the conceptual question. I will not ask big question, big answer question. No. Small conceptual question will be asked. For example, this is the small conceptual question. The smallest whole number, which is the smallest whole number? 0. The largest number using the digit is this. Then 3 number will be given. It will be asked which is the smallest number, which is the greatest number. Then what is the greatest number, smallest number using the digit. So such type of questions. Smallest whole number, then smallest natural number, such type of questions. Small conceptual question will be there in the mock test, which you have to prepare. No descriptive question will be asked. So only mock test, your concept should be clear. only one chapter, number system. You understand the concept and appear this test. Anyway, all the best for this exam, mock test. Okay. Bye.